the Elantra doesn't just have style, but style to spare. With our cutting-edge fluidic sculpture styling, the Elantra breaks free from the boring, bland designs you've come to expect from traditional compact sedans. And if it's what's on the inside that counts, Hyundai was able to fit a mid-size interior into a compact space. The Elantra's smartly designed interior gives you more total space than the Corolla, Civic, or Maxima. The Elantra also packs a powerful yet efficient punch as well, with an EPA estimated 38 highway MPG, a sophisticated 6-speed Shiftronic transmission, and an incredibly responsive 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. And don't forget that the Elantra also comes with available technology features like touchscreen navigation, rear-view camera, and SiriusXM satellite radio. And also offers award-winning safety. Did I mention that the Elantra comes with America's best 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty? So as you can see, the Elantra offers incredible value and an enjoyable ride. So schedule a test drive of your very own at Carolina Hyundai of High Point today.